Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Synergy Vision unlocked, enough ability points, and Lightning Affinity Gear equipped. Once verified, assign Lightning items to quick slots so you can react instantly. Next, set your HUD overlays to show enemy resistances and synergy indicators. This reveals where lightning effects will chain. Make sure to clear any conflicting buffs that reduce lightning damage, and move to a low-risk encounter to practice the initial activation while watching the synergy meter closely. You trigger your primary lightning skill as the seed. Timing matters because the chain window is brief. Once done, position yourself within 6 to 8 meters of clustered enemies so arcs can jump. Mobility skills help you maintain range without breaking line of sight. Then layer secondary effects. Apply stun or elemental boosts immediately after the seed to increase jump count and damage. Make sure to watch for crowd modifiers and stagger your cooldowns so each activation lands during optimal. You finish by timing a high damage finisher as the synergy meter approaches its cap, converting stored charge into maximum arc damage. After the hit, swap to a defensive stance and back away to avoid counterattacks while cooldowns reset. This preserves momentum for the next engagement. If the chain fails, reset quickly by reseeding the primary skill and confirming your gear buffs and status effects are active. Often a missing buff or a wrong distance causes failed jumps, so troubleshoot those first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.